Mastering could in mixed conditionals. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting and often challenging aspect of English grammar: the use of the modal verb could in mixed conditionals. Mixed conditionals are a fusion of different types of conditional sentences, and understanding how to use them correctly can take your English language proficiency to a new level. Let's start with a refresher on what mixed conditionals are. Mixed conditionals refer to conditional sentences that combine different types of conditions, usually the second and third conditionals. They are used to express a situation in the past affecting a situation in the present or future. For example, if you had studied harder, past situation, you could be a doctor now, present situation. Now, let's talk about could. In English, could is a modal verb we often use to express possibility or ability. In the context of mixed conditionals, we typically use could to refer to a possible outcome or result in the present or future, based on a condition related to the past. For example, if I had seen the traffic light, past situation, I could avoid this fine, present situation. Let's delve deeper into some examples. If she had taken the train, she could be here by now. This sentence means that she didn't take the train in the past, and as a result, she isn't here now. If you hadn't eaten so much candy as a child, you could have perfect teeth now. This sentence implies that because you ate so much candy in the past, you don't have perfect teeth now. Notice how could in these sentences expresses the possible outcome in the present or future based on a condition in the past. Let's do a quick practice exercise. Try to form a mixed conditional sentence using could. Here's a situation. You didn't save money in the past, and as a result, you can't afford a new car now. Give it a try and share your sentence in the comment section. And there you have it, the use of could in mixed conditionals. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. Remember, English learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, is progress. Keep practicing, and soon, these mixed conditionals will be a piece of cake. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.